We got a call in from our client last week with a reported collapsed mineshaft. We were in attendance on Saturday with one of their representatives just to obviously assess the situation.
It was just a sense that the cavalry had arrived, and they were absolutely lovely, very sympathetic, very caring about our situation.
We're actually on the ground on Monday setting the site up and determining exactly how we're going to cap the mineshaft off.
It's a very big hole and we can't get very close to it, hence the reason why we've had to have the scaffold put up over the hole itself.
I mean, the actual hole itself measures an approximate diameter of around 10 metres. We ascertained Saturday, because it was very precarious obviously getting anywhere near it to measure it, but we took a rough estimate, it was 8 to 10 metres deep. I suppose you could say if you put a double-decker bus in there, you'd probably see just the back end of it sticking out, not a lot more. I mean, to put it in a blunt terminology, there's a risk of the collapse of the actual property. Because we've got an actual mine shaft there, there's a lot of debris fell in which has formed a natural plug. So what we're actually doing now is pumping in a foam concrete, which is a lightweight concrete compared to usual concrete. That'll then actually spread over the top of the debris, plug any small voids or holes, and then basically fill it up. As the actual formation of the hole is, probably the only way to describe it is like a wine glass. So you've got that effect. So once you've got concrete that's filled that kind of hole, there's no way it can slip down. So it acts like a natural plug, a bit like a cork in a bottle or a lid on a coffee jar that you'd have at home. To take on a project this size and actually bring it in within a kind of 6-week period and actually get them back into the property, in a safe, habitable condition, it's quite a massive task really. We tend to thrive on projects that are non-standards.
Optera have been absolutely wonderful. We can't speak too highly of how they have handled everything from beginning to end. We just felt very relieved and very happy to leave it all in their capable hands.